test an exact differential equation and you find out that that exact differential equation, which is in this form, the z is equal to p, the s plus q, the y. You find out that that differential equation is an exact differential equation. Now, if you are asked to solve that differential equation, how do you solve it? Solving of the differential equation is what we call integration of exact differential equation. So when you solve the z, you will get z. So what you will have now, you want to use integration, meaning that what you are going to do, once this thing is exact differential equation, if you integrate p with respect to x, your answer is that z you are looking for. And that answer is expected to be equal to when you integrate q with respect to 1. Example. So example 1 is if you are asked to solve, so solve means this this. So if you are given the z is equal to, let's say, 3s squared y plus 4s dx, then plus s raised to power 3 plus 9y raised to power 2, then dy. Maybe they have tested it and they say that it is an exact differential. But if they have not tested it, you are the one that will test. So when you test and find out that it's exact differential equation and you are asked to find the value of z as a function of s and the 1, how will you do that? So we are going to now say the right solution. We will now say let p be the coefficient of the s, which is 3s squared y plus 4s. Then let q be the coefficient of the y, which is s raised to the power 3 plus 9 y raised to the power 2. Then what do? You obey this rule. You now say number 1 that your z, because it is an exact differential equation, you say that your z will be, you integrate p with respect to s, meaning that you are going to integrate 3s squared y plus 4s with respect to s. Now, how do we integrate? Integration means in any time you come, add 1 to the power of s, then divide by the final power. So like if you come here now, you are going to have 3s, you add 1 here to give you 3, you put 1, divide by 3. Plus if you come here now, add 1 to the power of s to give you 2, divide by 2. Then after integration, you are going to put your constant. But in this case, your constant will be function of 1. So you have that z will, this 3 will cancel this 3 to give you s raised to the power 3y plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it's going to give you 2s squared plus f of y. You call it equation 1, where f of y is an arbitrary function of 1. We also go to the rule number 2, so that z will give you what? So if you go to rule number 2, it means if you integrate q now partially with respect to y, the answer you get here is expected to be the same answer you get in equation 1. So let's obey it immediately. You integrate your q, which is s raised to the power 3 plus 9 y raised to the power this with respect to y. So what is it going to give you? Integration with respect to y. There is no y here, but this is like partial integration. So what you do, if there is no y, add y there. So this will give you s raised to the power 3, there is no y, you add y. Plus there is y here now. Increase the power of y by 1. So this will give you plus 1 is 3 now. You divide by 3. Then after you put your constant, which is now a function of x, which is, so this will give you z is x raised to the power 3y plus 3y raised to the power 3 plus function of s, which is equation 2, where f of s is an arbitrary function of what? Of x. So what you do now, you will compare equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 have 3 terms, equation 2 have 3 terms. So if 2 of them are equal, it means you take only 1. Then if you check the first term of equation 1 and the first term of equation 2 are the same, so you're going to pick 1. Then the second term of equation 1 is not equal to second term of equation 2. But what do you do now? When you now reason, because they say that f of y and f of x is an arbitrary function. So arbitrary means that f of y can be anything that contains y. F of x can be anything that contains x. So we can now say by simple reasoning that equation 1 will be equal to equation 2 if and the only if, this is the only condition, if and only if f of y in this equation 1 will be equal to this, will be equol to 3y raised to the power 3, and the f of x in equation 2 will now be this, which is 2s raised to the power 2. So in that case, it means the two equations will have equal terms. So what do? Pick it one by one. You conclude that therefore z will be equal to pick it one by one. So you say s raised to the power 3y plus what again? 2s raised to the power 2 plus what again? 3y raised to the power 3. And that becomes the answer. Thank you very much. God bless you. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe, and invite others to join us. Thank you very much.